Identify the reaction type and expected products. The chemical reaction between solid calcium carbonate, CaCO3, and hydrochloric acid, HCl, is an acid-carbonate reaction. This class of reaction produces a salt, water, and a gas. Specifically, the reactants yield aqueous calcium chloride, CaCl2, liquid water, H2O, and carbon dioxide gas, CO2. Understand how the species exist in aqueous solution, because the question asks for the species that react and the species that are produced. The process is best represented using a net ionic equation. To write this, we must examine the physical state of each substance in water. CaCO3 is an insoluble ionic solid, so it remains intact as a solid reactant. HCl is a strong acid that dissociates completely in water to exist as free H to the power plus and Cl to the power negative ions. CaCl2 is a highly soluble ionic salt that exists as dissociated Ca to the power 2 plus and Cl to the power negative ions. H2O and CO2 are covalent molecular substances that do not dissociate into ions. Write the complete ionic equation. By representing all strong electrolytes as dissociated ions, we get the complete ionic equation. CaCO3 plus 2H to the power plus 2Cl to the power negative gives Ca to the power 2 plus 2Cl to the power negative plus H2O plus CO2. Identify and remove spectator ions. Spectator ions are ions that appear chemically unchanged on both the reactant and product sides of the equation. In this reaction, chloride ions, Cl to the power negative, are spectators. Because spectator ions do not participate in the chemical change, they are omitted to produce the net ionic equation. Formulate the final net ionic equation. Canceling out the chloride ions on both sides leaves the net ionic equation. 2H to the power plus CaCO3 gives Ca to the power 2 plus H2O plus CO2. This matches option B. The correct answer is option B. 2H plus CaCO3 gives Ca2 plus H2O plus CO2.